Is it possible for one party to withdraw from a plea agreement? I'm attorney Kristen Curry. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in Arizona for the past 26 years. When a person enters into a plea agreement in an Arizona court, the person has to go before the court and enter into the agreement on the record. If the court defers acceptance of the agreement, then either party can withdraw from that agreement until a court would actually accept it. But if the court actually accepts the agreement at the time of the plea proceeding, then it's more difficult to get out of a plea agreement. Prior to sentencing, if a person is looking to get out of a plea agreement, they must file a motion with the court. If it's a defendant trying to get out of the plea, then they would have to prove a manifest injustice was committed in order to get out of the plea. Well, what does that mean? Well, it could mean a lot of things. It could mean that the person maybe was given the wrong advice and made the decision based upon inaccurate information, or maybe there's some new evidence that may have been presented to the person and they didn't know about it and they made the decision of the plea. There's a lot of different reasons why a judge can find a manifest injustice to let somebody out of the plea. Now, what if it's the state that wants to get out of the plea? Well, they can't just change their mind if they want to. They would also have to show that there's some reason. And a reason would have to be something about the defendant breaching the plea, such as he avowed that he had no prior felonies when he actually did, and they found out later he did. Or he avowed to only 2 priors and he had 5. Or he avowed that he had nothing else pending and he did. It's those types of things. Or if he happened to commit a crime from the time that he went in front of the judge to do the plea and before sentencing he got caught for something else, yes, they may be allowed to withdraw from the plea at that point in time. If you have any other questions about a plea agreement, whether or not there's an ability to withdraw, you can either email us or give us a call and we can talk about it more.